All right, today we're taking a look at the 2001 Porsche 911 Carrera 4. Obviously a coupe. She is a 6-speed manual. This car's got 58,000 miles. It's a 3-owner, clean Carfax. As you can see, it's got newer, I think a 2014 or 15 Porsche 911 turbo wheels on it. This car is wrapped in this green. It's a black underneath. Do have a little aero kit on the car with the wing. Red calipers. It's got a full Alcantara interior as well. It does have an aftermarket exhaust. You got the upgraded LED headlights. You also have an upgraded radio system. It's got Carplay, Android Auto. As you can see, the full Alcantara all around. Rear seats are in great shape. It is a sunroof car too, and it works perfect. It does also have a K&N air filter in there. A lot of people have been asking about this. It's just hitting the website today. Check it out on the website for a little more info. It's BRIANSAutoCenter.com. Or give us a phone call, 732-528-9777.